Meaning of fussily.
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 Fussily. Fussily is an adverb that describes someone or something that is overly concerned with minor details, finicky or particular about insignificant matters. It suggests a person who is excessively attentive to trivial things, making unnecessary demands and displaying a nitpicking or controlling attitude. People who are fussily often waste their time over tiny nuances and may neglect important issues or situations. Overall, fussiness can hinder productivity and create unnecessary stress for themselves and others around them. To avoid being seen as fussily, it's important to focus on the big picture and prioritize what truly matters in any given situation.